Also happening this week, teachers and students from across the state getting an intense STEM crash course courtesy of the University of Southern Mississippi. The 3-day GenSea program included a tour of USM labs at its Cedar Point campus in Ocean Springs. Approximately 20 teachers from across the state learned more about the blue economy and what programs USM offers to open up career pathways. USM officials say there are many coastal career opportunities that can keep goal-oriented professionals here in South Mississippi, and they want to spread the word.
Right, so we really hope that they go back to their classrooms and tell their kids that these job opportunities are available. Here are the math and science courses you need to take to be ready for these careers that are here now and all the ones that are coming online.
Having an opportunity to see what kind of technologies and what kind of job opportunities there are potentially for my students and even internships is really exciting because we can introduce them to this area in a way that they may not be familiar with at all.
The conference was made possible through the Robert M. Herron Support Foundation.